Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change PIN on Sony Google TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon on your remote, navigate to all settings, scroll down and select System. Then scroll down again and look for parental controls, then you can enter it and on the bottom you can find change PIN. Now you will need to enter your current PIN, and then enter your new PIN. Re-enter your new PIN, confirm it, and as you can see the PIN has been changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.